organised, and we've had a great time.
Yeah, it's just been great to raise money for such a fantastic charity. We got a last race coming up, and we're ready to smash it.
Yeah, we're racing against our other British Airways team, and we are going to win. We're ready to win.
Yeah.
It's been really good. We're really happy to be here supporting Leah's Wing. We just had We just had a conversation with them, and they were telling us that they've used Virgin Atlantic in the past before. So really happy to be here.
It's been so fun. I didn't expect to enjoy it as much as I did because I'm not the best on water. But
It was our first time rowing for a lot of
Exactly.
us. I feel like it went well.
Flew
By the
well,
third
yeah.
time, we were doing pretty well.
Nice to get out of the office, to socialise with your employees. I think it's our first year of Virgin Atlantic. Everyone's really enjoyed it, and I think we're quite determined to come back next year and smash the out as we have today already.
It's been a great day. Weather's not been so good. Been a little bit of wind, a little bit of rain, but the opportunity to get on the water and meet a whole load of new people, excellent.
Yeah, absolutely. Just coming here and seeing all the different new faces, and like I say, having an opportunity to get on the water, which is obviously our home blood anyway. It's been really good.
Guys, how have you found today?
Amazing. It's been fantastic to seeing everyone, how competitive everyone is as well. It's great.
And we've been rapid.